Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a library and a new project. This organizes everything. Tap plus name the project, then import clips from photos or files. Use Wi-Fi for speed. Once imported, set frame rate and resolution. This affects playback and export size, so choose 24 or 30 FPS for cinematic or social formats respectively. Make sure clips are relinked if moved. Once done, scrub the timeline to verify clips landed in order before you trim. You'll perform the detailed work on the magnetic timeline, drag clips to reorder, and use the precision editor for subframe trims. Use the blade to cut and the trim tool to ripple edit. These actions keep your timeline clean. Add B-roll by connecting clips above the primary storyline and adjust audio levels with fades and keyframes so dialogue stays audible. Once done, use retiming to create speed ramps and apply titles and effects sparingly to maintain clarity. You finish by color correcting and balancing audio. Use the color board to set exposure and white balance, then apply a LUT if desired. When ready, export via share, choosing H. 264 or ProRes depending on quality and file size, and pick a destination. If something goes wrong, relink missing media first. Most issues come from moved files. If playback stutters, clear the render cache or restart Final Cut Pro on iPad. This resolves most performance glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.